Are you ready to get started with email marketing? Coming up, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to set up your email marketing software. What's up everyone? I'm Jeff, co-founder of TheFigCo. We're here to help you grow your business online. If you want to be notified when we put up new videos, I'd encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Alright, so if you're here watching this video today, you probably already know the importance of email marketing and the value that it can bring to your business. If you're still not quite sure about that, I'd encourage you to check out our previous video that I'll link to up above that'll walk you through why email marketing. So in today's video, I'm not going to go through all the different options for email marketing software and talk about the pros and cons. I thought it'd be a little bit easier and more practical if I told you why we chose Convertkit and then walk you through step-by-step how to set up your account. Before Convertkit, we were using MailChimp and Aweber. And I wanted to go through 4 quick points of why we like Convertkit so much. Number 1, it's very easy to use and intuitive. Number 2, their customer service is great, so send them a message over chat or email and get your problems resolved very quickly. Number 3 is segmenting your audience. So as your list grows, you'll notice you want to send different messages to different groups, and that's very easy to do in Convertkit. And number 4 is sending automated email sequences. That's a really important part of all email marketing. If you want to learn more about that, I'll link to a video up above here. Alright, well, why don't we now hop on the computer and start to set things up. I'll put a link down below in the description where you can get a 2-week free trial to Convertkit. That is an affiliate link, so we'll earn a small commission, but it's at no extra cost to you. That'll help us continue to grow our YouTube channel and putting out good free content. Alright, here we are on the page for Convertkit. To get started, click Try It for Free. And they want to know, are you migrated from another provider or brand new? Let's click on brand new. If you have a large email list, that'll actually help you with all of the migration. They want to know, Convertkit is great for beginners. Do you have a website? If you don't actually have a website right now, they'll help you set up a landing page as something you can use to get started so you can start collecting emails. We do have a website. And they want to know what website builder you're using. WordPress, Shopify, Squarespace. Ours is in Squarespace. And set up an account. So let's set it up with one of my emails. Agree to terms and service, get started. Alright, here we are on the platform. So the first step of what we want to do is create a form that we can add to our website. So there's 2 different ways to gather subscribers. One is on a form, which is something inserted onto a page that you already have, or a landing page, which is essentially a full page form with a little bit more information. For this example, let's click on form. And then here there's 2 options. Inline is something that you would insert between other things on a page, or modal, which would be something that would pop up on top of the page that someone's already looking at. Let's do inline. And there's a couple of different formats that they have here. Let's choose Mills. Alright, so here's the form. You can basically customize this in any way that you want. All the text is, you can edit, you can change the font, you can change the color of the button. What I want to do here is add another form as first name, and I want to put first name and then email, and then just walk you through the different options here. And so for settings, they want to know, should you show a success message or redirect to another page. Given this is something that's inline, someone's probably reading the blog post, and so I don't want to send them away from the blog post after they sign up. I want to let them finish the article. So I'll leave this here, or you could redirect. The next thing is send incentive email. And so this is essentially setting up double opt-in, which we recommend doing so that you have a much cleaner email list. If you don't do double opt-in, there's some different regulations and things that you could get in trouble with. Also, it's just good practice to ask someone to confirm their email before you start sending them things. We can go and edit the email that's going to be sent. It looks something like this. It says, click this button to confirm the subscription. Again, you can edit all of these things. Here's where you would change the formatting, and then there's a couple other additional things that you can change. So with this here, I want to hit save. Okay, form was successfully updated. Now I want to show you how to add this to your website. And so we build all of our websites in Squarespace. We actually have a course around building a web page in Squarespace. If you want to check it out, I'll link to it up above. But it's really easy to insert a form using HTML. And so I have this guide to email marketing. And so one, you should check it out if you want to learn more about email marketing and ConvertKit. I'll link to it up above. But let's say right after this section, I want to add a sign-up form. And so what I do is go into my Squarespace account and go to the same spot, click Edit, click on this, add code, HTML, delete the hello world, paste, apply, and save. And then if I go to the live version again, no form, hit refresh, and voila, there's a form now. So here's the one that we just created. So before I start signing up to this, I want to show you a few more things that you need to set up within ConvertKit. One is to add your address. You need to have an address listed with your email if you're going to be sending out any email marketing. And so if you go to account settings, when you get to account settings, the company name is going to show up as just your email. So add your company name here and click save. So now within the email settings, the first thing I would do is change the from name. So here I'd say Jeff from TheFigCo and then click the X. And then down below you need to add an address. So for anti-spam laws, you need to have a physical address to be able to send out mass emails. Alright, so we changed the company name, added our address. The next thing we have to do is confirm the email that we signed up for the account with. Here's the email that ConvertKit sends to verify your email address, so click this. Now we should be all set to start sending emails, so let's go back to this guide again and sign up. Subscribe. Alright, so you'll see here's the success message that popped up, and then I can continue reading the guide here. And if I go to my email, here's the email that ConvertKit sent, so I need to confirm my subscription. Click confirm your subscription. Alright, subscription confirmed. Now if we go back to ConvertKit and go to subscribers, we now have 1 subscriber. Alright, so as you just saw, in a matter of minutes we created our account, created a form, got the form up on our website, and now we're ready to start growing our email list. If you want to learn how to start growing that list, I'd encourage you to watch our next video that I'm linking to up above. So that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, you can subscribe to our channel up above. That way you don't miss any of our future videos. If you want to watch the next email marketing video, I'm going to put a link to it up above here. And if you want to read the email marketing guide, I'll link to that down below. Until next time, bye-bye.